Hello, I'm Haider Malik, host of the Mehmi Financial Group podcast. Today's topic is BC Produce Contracts Factoring for Surrey Agribusinesses. When you supply berries, leafy greens, or specialty vegetables under 30 to 90-day payment terms to distributors, grocery chains, or processors, slow receivables can pinch cash for harvest, packing, and payroll. Invoice factoring turns those contract invoices into immediate working capital. Here's how Surrey growers and packers can set it up. 1. What is produce contract factoring? Mechanics. You sell approved invoices, signed bills of lading or delivery receipts for produce shipments to a factoring partner. They advance 80 to 90% of each invoice's face value within 24-48 hours. When your customer pays, they remit the remainder minus a nominal fee, 0.3%. Recourse versus non-recourse. Recourse. You retain credit risk if a buyer defaults. Fees are lower. Non-recourse. The factor absorbs default risk. Fees are slightly higher, but you gain bad debt protection. 2. Key benefits for Surrey Agribusinesses. Immediate liquidity. Fund seasonal labor, packing line maintenance, cooling fan electricity, and pallet purchases without tapping term debt. Smooth cash flow. Replace unpredictable 30-90-day pay cycles with reliable advances that match harvest and packing peaks. Operational focus. Outsource collections and dispute resolution. Free your team to optimize field yields and quality control. Credit insights. Many factors provide ongoing buyer credit assessments, helping you vet new distributor or processor contracts. 3. How the factoring process works. 1. Teammate Sabini. Ask for partner selection. Choose a factor experienced in produce, one familiar with cold chain logistics, shrink allowances, and quality hold clauses. 2. Onboarding and approval. Submit your key buyer's info and sample invoices. The factor evaluates credit and sets advance and fee rates. 3. Invoice submission. After each delivery, forward the signed invoice or POD electronically. 4. Advance funding. Receive 80 to 90% of value, often same or next business day. 5. Collections and settlement. The factor collects payment under original terms. Once received, they remit your balance less fees. 4. Choosing the right factoring partner. Industry expertise. Ensure they understand perishability holds, QA inspections, and storage in transit billing in BC produce chains. Advance rates and fees. Compare advance percentages and sliding scale fee schedules that decrease as your monthly volume grows. Service and reporting. Evaluate their dispute management protocols, online dashboards, and response times. Contract flexibility. Seek month-to-month terms or easy exit clauses. Avoid long lock-ins if your crop mix rotates seasonally. 5. Best practices to maximize ROI. 1. Accurate documentation. Issue complete, coded invoices immediately. Include harvest dates, quality grades, and cold chain certifications to speed verification. 2. Customer notification. Inform distributors and processors of the factor's remit address to prevent misdirected payments. 3. Blend financing. Use factoring for surge needs and keep a small receivables line for steady volumes to optimize cost. 4. Monitor KPIs. Track factoring fees as a percentage of revenue and measure days sales outstanding DSO before and after factoring to validate efficiency gains. 6. 3 action steps. 1. Audit your top contracts. List your 5 largest buyers by volume and typical payment terms. Gather sample delivery docs. 2. Solicit term sheets. Approach 2 to 3 produce-focused factoring firms. Compare advance rates, fee schedules, recourse options, and onboarding timelines. 3. Model your cash flow. Simulate your next 90 days of harvest, packing, payroll, and cooling costs against potential factoring advances to confirm you'll cover obligations and maintain a buffer. Factoring BC produce contracts can be the bridge that keeps your Surrey agribusiness operating smoothly through every harvest, pack, and shipping cycle, turning delayed invoices into the working capital you need today. I'm Haider Malik. Thanks for listening.